Hello children, this is Ipshita Gangopadhyay, teacher from Trinity International School. Students, today we will start with exercise 5.4 of your chapter number 5, fractions. So first we will do the first question, that is simplify. Students, you have seen the first question I have written. So in this question you have the mixture of your addition, division, multiplication of fraction. So in simplification you have all the operations that are together and you need to solve this. So in this question you have 5 upon 7 divided by, in the bracket you have the mixed fraction, that is 2 1 upon 3 plus 1 5 upon 7. So here your first step is to convert this mixed fraction into your improper fraction, and then you need to solve the bracket, and then you have to go for the main simplification. So step by step we will do the problem. Now students, see what I did is, first I have to convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So here you can see the method what you were doing in your previous exercises. So I think it is easy for you now. So see what I did is 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 into 7 plus 5 upon 7. So here you can see that we get 7 upon 3 plus 12 upon 7. Now again the method is to take out the LCM of the denominators. So I have taken the LCM of the denominators 3 and 7. So you got the LCM as 21. Now the thing is, you need to make the denominator 21. So you need to multiply both the numerator and denominator of the first number inside the bracket with 7, and the second number that is there in your bracket is 12 upon 7, and you need to make the LCM as 21. So for that you need to multiply 3 with the numerator as well as your denominator. Okay, so you can see here how I did the step. So as you have taken out the product of these two numbers, you are getting 49 upon 21 plus 36 upon 21. So the next step will be, now see the next step, that is 5 upon 7. We need to take the 21 as the common LCM, and then 49 plus 36, and this will give you 85 upon 21. Now you have your operation like this, that is you have division. Okay, so we have already learned how to do the division questions. So here what you need to do is you have to change this division sign into multiplication sign, and you need to take the reciprocal of the next number. So here you have to write 21 upon 85, as you have changed the sign from division to multiplication. You have the rule to write the reciprocal of the next number. Okay, so you have written the reciprocal of 85 upon 21, that is 21 upon 85. Now see, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 17 ja 85 and 7 1 ja 7 and 7 3 ja 21. So you are getting as numerator 1 multiplied by 3, and in denominator you are getting 1 multiplied by 17. So your number comes as 3 upon 17. So you have simplified the number that is given to 3 upon 17. So your answer is 3 upon 17. So you have seen in this problem that all the operations whatever you have learned in your previous exercises are used here. So whenever you are given with simplification, please try to first solve the bracket things, and later on you need to do the other operations. Okay, so let us see the second question. Now let us see the second problem. Here you have 5 1 by 2 of 4 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7 plus 5 upon 14 into 14 upon 15. So first of all you need to convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So you have here like this. Then off means your multiplication, and then you have the rest of the problem given to you. So just write it down. Okay, now here you are getting 11 upon 2 multiplied by 4 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7 plus 5 upon 14 into 14 upon 15. Here you need to go for your cancellation part. So you are getting 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So here you are getting numerator as 22 and denominator as 7. And then you have the bracket with you. And again the product, that is 14 upon 15. So now we will first solve the bracket. Now see, the next step is to take out the LCM of 7 and 14. You have seen I have taken out the LCM of 7 and 14, that is your 14. So again you need to make the denominator as the common one, that is 14. So here to make the denominator as 14 we need to multiply it with 2. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, and we need to also multiply the numerator with 2. And here you get 14 multiplied by 1 and 5 multiplied by 1. Then you have the next number as multiplied by 14 upon 15. Now again we need to carry out our bracket things. Now you can see the next step what I did is 10 plus 5, that is 15 upon 14. Okay, so see, 22 upon 7 is written like that. Then you need to calculate this 10 plus 5 upon 14, that is 15 upon 14 inside the bracket, and then you have multiplied by 14 upon 15. Now the next step is, now see, I have removed the bracket over here, and then what I am doing is I am doing the cancellation work in this part. Okay, so here you can see 15 and 15 gets cancelled out. Here also 14 and 14 gets cancelled out. So this remains as 1. Okay, so let us go for again the LCM between 7 and 1. So you have here 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7 as the LCM. So here you have like this, and here you have this thing. Okay, 1 means, I have already told you, 1 means 1 upon 1, isn't it? Any whole number written like this means it is a fractional number as well, that is the denominator is always your 1. So you have this type of calculation now. So if this is 7, then 22 plus 7, now you have got 29 upon 7 as your improper fraction, and this can be also converted into your mixed fraction. So you can see 7 4s are 28, 1. So this can be written as 4 1 upon 7. So your final answer is in mixed fraction number. Okay, so if you are keeping it like this is also correct, and if you are converting this improper fraction into the mixed one, this is also correct. Okay, so in your textbook it is given in the form of mixed fraction, that is why I have also converted this improper fraction into your mixed fraction. So let us go for the third one. Now you can see the third question. Here you need to first convert the mixed fraction into your improper fraction, then we will solve the problem. So you have here one mixed fraction and here one mixed fraction. So we will convert these two fractions. So here you are getting like this, then divided by 7 upon 8 into 14 upon 15, and again this becomes your like this. Then 12 plus 3 is 15 upon 4. 15 upon 4 divided by 7 upon 8 into 14 upon 15 into 4 upon 3. So you can see that I have converted the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Now let us go to this part. So here you can see that we can cancel out many numbers over here. So you can have this, that is 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Okay, then 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14. So you have here 7 into 7, 49, 49 upon 15 into 3. Okay, so the denominator and numerator is converted into its simplest form. Now students, we will do the C problem, that is 3 upon 4 divided by 7 upon 8 into 14 upon 15 into 1 by 3. So here what we need to do is, here we need to first convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So see, we have already done that. Here this is a mixed fraction, this is a mixed fraction. Okay, so we have already done up to this. So in my previous sum, what I did is I have just cancelled out the number. So that will be difficult for you because there are big numbers will come up. So again I am showing you the simple way, that is don't cancel out. Okay, so don't cancel out the numbers. So यहाँ पे जो मैंने आपको दिखाया था कैंसलिंग करने का, वो आप कैंसिल मत कीजिए क्योंकि उसमें क्या नंबर्स बड़े आ जाते हैं, तो दैट विल बी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर यू टू कैलकुलेट. So if you go for like this, that is first you need to go for division sign. So here what you should do is, you need to 15 upon 4 you have to write, then instead of division you need to just change the sign as multiplication, and the immediate fractional numbers should be reciprocaled. तो देखिए ये वाला मैंने रेसिप्रोकल कर दिया है, और जो नेक्स्ट नंबर्स है उसको वैसे के वैसे ही सेम एज इट वाज. So now what is happening is you have all the multiplication signs over here. Now you can easily cancel off the numbers. Okay, so here you can see that here up 15 is there, here also you have 15, so you can cancel it off. Then you have 4 here, here also you have 4, so you can cancel that too. Then you have 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, so you can have the numerator as 8 upon 8 multiplied by 2, and here in your denominator you have only 3, so your number is 16 upon 3. So this can be easily converted into your mixed fraction. So you can see it will come as 5 1 by 3. So here you can do the division for that. 3 5s are 15. So you can see 5 1 by 3 is your answer. So आप जो पहले हमने मेथड किया था उसमें आपने कैंसलेशन किया था, तो वो क्या होता है आपके लिए, वो बड़ा वाला नंबर आ जाता है. तो फॉर दैट we have simplified it by not cancelling of these numbers, but we have to change change the operation so that you can easily cancel off the numbers. Okay, so this is how you need to do the third problem. So you should be very careful in all these things. Now see the next problem. Here also you have the two brackets, and here also you can see the mixed fraction over here. So please try to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So see, I have converted it. Then the next step is to take out the LCM. So we need to take out the LCM of first bracket, that is the 4 and 3. First we will solve this bracket, then we will come to this bracket. Okay, so first you need to take out the LCM of 4 and 3. So this 4 and 3 will give you the LCM as 12. Now see, so LCM will come as 12. So let us just solve the LCM. So you have 4 multiplied by 3, and the numerator also should be multiplied by 3, and you have here 4. Okay, so this will give you 12. Now you can see that we have the common denominator, that is we have converted into like fraction. So easily we can go for the addition of these numbers, and similarly we need to take the LCM of these two numbers, and we have to solve this bracket as well. Now you can see we got 101 upon 12, and then we need to solve this bracket. Now see, the next step is to take out the LCM of these two denominators. So I have taken out the LCM of these two denominators. It comes as 15. So see, I have made these denominators as the common denominator, that is 15. Now see, we have solved this. So we are getting 10 upon 15 multiplied by 101 upon 12. So this can be easily reduced to the lowest form, that is 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So here you are getting the number like this. Again you can cancel off 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So again your number comes as 101 upon 18. So you got the number as 101 by 18. You can see 101 by 18, and now you can convert this into the mixed fraction, that is 511 by 18. You can see the division I did here. So this gives you 5, 11 by 18 as your answer. Now the next problem is your E problem. Here you can see that in this problem so many brackets are given to you. Okay, so this is your simple bracket, this is your curly bracket, and this is your square bracket. So this is your first bracket, this is second, and this is third. So first what we will do is, first we will convert all the mixed fraction into the improper fraction, then one by one we will solve the brackets. Okay, so in the second step what I did is I have converted all the mixed fractions into the proper fractions. So can you see here, this 4 1 by 5 is 21 upon 5, then this 3 1 by 4 has become 13 upon 4, and this becomes 17 upon 12, and here also you have another mixed fraction, that is, it gives you 8 upon 5. Okay, so now first what we will do is we will try to solve this bracket, that is the first bracket. So here we need to first go for the first bracket. Now to solve the first bracket, first of all we need to again take out the LCM of these two numbers. So see, I have taken out the LCM of these two numbers, it gives you 12. So again we need to go for the denominator as 12. So for the first number, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, and here we need to multiply both numerator and denominator by 1. So you get the denominator as 12, and this gives you the like fraction. Okay, so this is how you need to first take out the LCM. Now go for the next step. आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे 39 माइनस 17 आया है, उसका आंसर आपको 22/12 आता है. ठीक है, अभी नेक्स्ट हमने ये वाला ब्रैकेट का सॉल्व कर लिया है. नाउ वी विल गो फॉर द solution of the second bracket, that is the curly bracket. So first of all what I need to do is I have to just remove off the first bracket. तो देखिए मैंने फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट निकाल दिया है. सो देखिए ये जो नंबर था, ये नंबर को मैंने ब्रैकेट से निकाल दिया है. सब देख पा रहे हैं, अभी ये जो फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट वो निकल चुका है. नाउ वी विल गो फॉर दिस कर्ली ब्रैकेट, दिस इज द सेकेंड ब्रैकेट. ओके, सो लेट अस ट्राई टू सॉल्व द सेकेंड ब्रैकेट. Now you can see that in case of your second bracket, that is the curly bracket, you have the sign of division. So just replace it with the sign of multiplication and write the reciprocal of the number. So I have done that. So now what you want to do is you need to cancel off these numbers. Now here you have 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Okay, now here you have 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 14. 3 4s are 12 and 3 7s are 21. Okay, so here you have 8 multiplied by 4 as your numerator, and denominator has 7 multiplied by 11. Okay, now you can see that we have solved the second bracket. So just remove the second bracket. Now see, I have removed the second bracket. So now we want to solve this. Here you can go for 7 11s and 7 3s are 21. So you have 3 into 30 on 5 into 11. Now see, here we have the third bracket and I have calculated the product and I have removed the bracket. आप देख पा रहे हो कि ये ब्रैकेट भी मैंने हटा दिया है. Then what I did is I have changed this division sign into multiplication sign and I have reciprocal the number. So यहाँ पे 8/5 था, reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा 5/8. So here you can cancel out that 5 1 जा 5, 5 11 जा 55. Then you have 8 1 जा 8. Here also 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16. So you have 12/11 as your improper fraction answer. And as you can convert this into the mixed fraction, you get 1/11 as your final answer. So now I'll move to the F1. Now again in this problem you have three brackets, that is the first bracket, second bracket and third bracket, and as well as you have the word off. So in the second step what I did is I have, instead of off, I have written the sign, that is multiplication, and here I have changed the mixed fraction into improper fraction and I have written all other numbers as it is. Okay, so let us go for this thing. Now you can see that I have converted the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So now I will start doing the calculation from your first bracket. Okay, so सबसे पहले आपको जो फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट है उसका कैलकुलेशन आपको करना है. उससे पहले आप देख पाओगे कि यहाँ पर ये जो है, यहाँ पर देखिए आपको एक रिड्यूस फॉर्म मिल जाएगा. दैट इज़ यहाँ से देखिए आपको 4 और 4 कैंसिल हो जाता है और यहाँ भी आपका 3 और 3 कैंसिल, 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9. सो यहाँ न्यूमरेटर में आपको 1 मिलता है और डिनोमिनेटर में 3 मिलता है. ठीक है, तो आप इसको आप लिख सकते हो इसी तरह से और फिर you write the things as it is. Now go for the LCM of these two numbers. Now you can see that I have taken out the LCM of these two numbers. It gives you as 24. So make the denominators 24. So you can see that I have multiplied the first fraction with numerator and denominator with 8 and the next fractional number by 1. So it gives you the denominator as 24 and this 2 becomes the like fraction. So आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे आपका क्या आ गया 15/24. Okay, so this can be also reduced into the lowest term, like 5 3 5 are 15, 3 5 are 15 and 3 8 are 24. Okay, now see 3 5 are 15 and 3 8 are 24. So you can reduce these two numbers into its lowest form by multiplying with a common factor, that is 3. 3 से आप 3 के टेबल में जाओगे तो 3 5 are 15, 3 8 are 24. So you get 5/8 here. So now we will go for the second bracket. Now for second bracket, first you need to go for the LCMs. Now after doing this step you need to cancel out. See, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So this becomes your, now see here you can cancel out. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So you have 5 1 into 5 is 5, and then 4 into 4 is 16. Okay, now after taking out the LCM of these two, you get 4 4s are 16 and 3 4s are 12. 12 upon 16 minus 5 upon 16. Now the next step is 12 upon 16 minus 5 upon 16. So these are the like fractions. So we have taken 16 and 12 minus 5 is 7. So now we need to remove of this second bracket, that is the curly bracket, and we get like this. Here you have division sign, so you have to put multiplication sign and then you have to reciprocal the number. Okay, so you can remove your second bracket. Now you have the third bracket, that is your square bracket, and here you can see that you can cancel off here 7 and 7. Okay, so you are getting 16 upon 3. Now again you remove of the bracket, you are getting 1 upon 3 minus 16 upon 3. So 3 can be taken as a common denominator and 1 minus 16, and here you have the number as minus 15 by 3, and this will give you the answer as minus 5, because 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, so you have minus 5 as your answer. So this question is a bit long, so be careful in carrying off the signs properly as well as the numbers also. Now our second question is to prove that you have left hand side as well as right hand side. So left hand side has this portion and right hand side has this portion. So you need to calculate both the sides, and you need to prove that both left hand side and right hand sides are equal. So we will just write the question and we will take left hand side and right hand side one by one. Now for this sum you need to first take the left hand side. आपको पहले लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेना है. तो देखिए मैंने यहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कहाँ तक आता है, इक्वल टू के पहले तक. तो देखिए मैंने वो ले लिया है और देन आई हैव स्टार्टेड सॉल्विंग. सो फॉर सॉल्विंग वी नीड टू फर्स्ट change the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So I have tried to change this. सो देख लीजिए मैंने चेंज कर दिया है. देन आई एम सॉल्विंग द ब्रैकेट. सो हियर यू हैव अगेन 14 and 7 as denominator, so this gives you the LCM as 14. So you have to go for the LCM. So here you have 14, make the two numbers as the like numbers. So I have made the two numbers as the like numbers over here. Then the next step is 17 upon 7 multiplied by 14, then 35. Okay, so you have 17 upon 7 into 35 upon 14. So here you have 17 upon 7. So यहाँ पे आप 7 से उसको 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14. So you have 5 upon 2 over here. Now you can just find out the product of these two numbers. So आपको प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे लिखना है, that is 85 upon 14. So this is for your left hand side. ये आपका left hand side है. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, हम राइट हैंड साइड को सॉल्व करेंगे. तो राइट हैंड साइड मतलब ये यहाँ से फुल ये वाला था. ठीक है, तो ये राइट हैंड साइड को हम सॉल्व करेंगे. नाउ सी अगेन आई हैव सॉल्व द राइट हैंड साइड पार्ट. तो फिर से मैंने देखिए ये राइट हैंड साइड को लिख लिया है और ये जो मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है इसको मैंने इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर लिया है. तो आप देख पा रहे हैं. Okay, now here from this point of view you can see that ये और ये नंबर कॉमन है. ठीक है, दोनों में सेम है. तो मैंने क्या किया है, इसको बाहर लिखा है. और इन दोनों नंबर्स को ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखा है। तो ये इस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स आपने पहले एक्सरसाइजेस में किया है ना। तो पहले चैप्टर्स में आपने ऐसे टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स किए हैं। तो आप देख पा रहे हो कि 15/7 है। अगेन आई हैव टेकन द LCM ऑफ 14 and 7. I get LCM as 14 and as I am proceeding for this you can see यहाँ पे फिर से हमको 14 मिल रहा है हमारा LCM। सो आप देख पा रहे हो यहाँ पे फिर से आपको 5 + 30 or denominator is 14. Now if you can see here again 17/7 and then 35/14. So similarly again you are getting 85/14. So you can write that left hand side is equal to right hand side, that is 85/14 is equal to 85/14. Okay, so this proves that the whole sum is, that is left hand side is equal to right hand side. So ये लिखने के बाद आपको लिखना है hence proved. Okay, so this is how you need to write the second question. Now we will come to the third question, that is a word problem, and that is fractional word problem. Okay, so let us read the question. Out of 325 members of committee, 2/5 are men and the rest are women. Find the number of men and women in the committee. तो आप देख पा रहे हैं आपको टोटल नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स दिए गए हैं, लेकिन आपको जो भी मेन एंड वुमेन का जो भी नंबर्स है दैट इज़ गिवन इन फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म. सो यू नीड टू जस्ट फाइंड आउट द नंबर्स. ओके, सो लेट अस ट्राई टू राइट द स्टेटमेंट्स. Now see what I have written is total members of a committee you have been given with 325. Now men members you are given with the fractional number, that is 2/5. So you need to find out the number of men members. So see, to find out the number of men members from this fractional number, what you need to do is you have to write this fractional number and you have to multiply it with the total number of members. Okay, so we have written this. Now what we did is we have to cancel out that is 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25. So you have 2 into 65. Now multiply 2 into 65, it will give you 130. So this becomes your number of men members. So men members is equal to 130 and number of women members will be total number minus number of men. So it will give you 195. So you got both the figures, that is number of men members and number of women members. So this is your answer. Okay, so see how I have done with the fractional part. Okay, so this is how you need to do the word problems. Now go for the fourth problem, that is Rahul reads 1/5 of a book on the first day and 3/10 of the remaining book on the second day. If the book has 500 pages, then how many pages are left unread? So you have to take out the number of pages from the given fractional numbers and then you can easily take out the pages that are left unread. Okay, so let us try to write the statements. Now see how we have written the statements, that is total number of pages of a book is equal to 500. Pages read by Rahul on first day, so 1 by 5. So number of pages read by Rahul on first day, so this 1 by 5th is of 500 pages. So he has read 100 pages. So 5 1 ja 5. So he has read 100 pages. Now pages remaining out of 500, 100 he has read. That is why pages remaining are 400. Now Rahul read on the second day. Out of this 400, he has read 3/10 part. Okay. So Rahul has read 3/10 book out of 400 pages. So number of pages. So now see what we have written. Number of pages read by Rahul on second day, that is 3/10 of 400 pages. So he read 120 pages. So pages read by Rahul is 100 plus 120. So it gives you as 220. Now pages left unread. So there were total 500 pages minus how many he has read is 220 pages, and so left is 280 pages. So answer will be the pages left unread is 280 pages. So your answer is 280 pages were left unread. So the next problem, that is the fifth one, we will do it next time. Thank you.